Welcome to Octane Addicts, man. Ren is the name.
Sudhaka is the name. This is the V6 coupe. Everybody will be hearing about.
V6 coupe?
Yep.
Okay. So I see like your engine cannot fit in the vehicle right now. What engine is this equipped with?
This is actually a 3.2 V6 VTEC.
Okay.
332A3 out of the Acura TL.
Okay, great, man. Alright, well, as you all can see, we have a monster inside this thing. I don't even know how it fit. So let's have a look. Alright, so we back at it. Octane Addicts again. Tell us about the exterior on this car.
Alright, well, basically the exterior stock. I choose to keep the car as clean as possible due to the fact that it's a daily for me. I drive this car south to Arima every day and back. So, I try to avoid problems with the law.
Tell us about the bonnet. What's going on there? Do you have issues when it rains or anything like that?
Well, to be honest, that's the first question I'll get from anybody who sees the car. What is going on when the rain fall, buddy? To be honest, like I say, I've been dealing the car from November last year up until now. So far I haven't had any issues. Everything basically waterproof. Alright, so on the interior, what we have is we actually swapped the instrument cluster to the 2004 Accord V6. We have Type R, EK9 Type R front seats, door cards, carpet. Other than that, on the interior, the dashboard was converted to 99 2000 as opposed to the 96 98. That's basically it.
What about suspension, brakes, and tires?
Alright, so suspension, we had to convert the front suspension to EG for the swap. So we use Type R rack, etc. We have full body club coilovers right around. Sport spec, I believe it is.
Brakes.
Right, so we have Goodrich braided brake lines, we have EK9 upgraded booster, as well as 17CL 15 brakes to the front with stock tech pads, and disc brakes to the back. So tires, we run in the Maxxis Victra Z4S, 16-inch on some Enkei J10 wheels.
Okay, well, last but not least, engine.
The work was done, in conjunction with Swap Factory Auto. He was the main man. The electrical was handled by Mikey, and we also had Big Papi look over the electrical as well, Big Papi Racing.
Okay. Alright, cool. And the drivetrain, what gearbox is that on the vehicle right now?
Alright, so that's the original J series gearbox, 6 forward, non-LSD, sadly. That was out of the 3-liter V6.
Okay, perfect. Well, we all know that LSD is in the future, so we look forward to that. But I mean, so far, even without LSD, this thing, it gets really rowdy. Tell us about the exhaust system on this car. Have any aftermarket headers, any extractor manifold, what piping, what's going on there?
This actually has Speed Daddy headers coming down to a 3-inch exhaust all the way to a Fujitsu Legalis R barrel to the back. Yeah, that's basically it.
Let's go for a ride.
Ready?
Yep. Let's go. See if it's clear up a little bit.